Hey folks, this is Mudit and today I am going to perform a fun little science experiment. We are going to inflate a balloon with the help of vinegar and baking soda. So let's get started. But why does the balloon inflate? That is because when vinegar, which is an acid, reacts with baking soda, which is a base, carbon dioxide forms and expands the balloon. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I love this experiment and I am gonna do it again. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.